Hello. How are you? Come on in. Come in. Come in. Come into the kitchen. Have a seat. You must be tired. Have a seat. Have a seat. You must be tired. Ah, tired. How are you? How are you? How are you? Are you tired? Oh, yes. I am tired. I am tired. It was a long journey. A long journey. It was a long journey. Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? Tea? Yes, I would like some tea. Thank you. Would you like to use the toilet first? Would you like to use the toilet first? This is the toilet. Toilet. Yes, I would like to use the toilet. Thank you. Yes, I would like to use the toilet. Thank you. Would you like milk in your tea? Would you like milk in your tea? Milk? Milk. From a cow. Moo. Oh, milk. No. No, thank you. I would not like milk in my tea. Would you like sugar in your tea? Sugar? No. No, thank you. I would not like sugar in my tea. Would you like something different? I would like some lemon in my tea, please. Oh, you would like lemon in your tea. I would like to give you lemon in your tea. I would like to, but I can't. I cannot give you lemon in your tea because I have no lemon. I'm sorry. It's okay. I would like lemon, but if there is no lemon, I like it with no lemon. Thank you. Do you like fruit? Yes, I do like fruit. Would you like an apple? No, thank you. I would not like an apple. I like apples, but I would not like an apple right now. What would you like to do? I would like to rest. I would like to sleep. I am very tired. Sure, I'll show you your bedroom. Follow me.